Hello Bladers! The cars of today might have the dopest features and the shiniest exteriors. But do you know that some of the technologies we use today can be dated to more than a century ago? Don't believe us? Then scroll down to find out 3 of the oldest technologies in your cars. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Here are the 3 of the oldest technologies your car still has. Number 1, Audio Jack. Though George Coy originally invented it for telephone exchanges, the audio jack we enjoy to play our Spotify playlists today can be traced to 140 years ago. Number 2, Cigarette lighter and 12-volt outlet. In the early 1880s, Friedrich Wilhelm Schindler created the 12-volt outlet. It's what we now use to warm our cigarettes or to add accessories that help us in charging our phones. Number 3, Windscreen Wipers. The device that saves us when it's raining can be traced back to 1903. Though 3 inventors have been fighting over who created it first, American inventor Mary Anderson's window cleaning device is considered as the first automatic wipers blueprint. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.